boy, she really likes that chicken nugget, doesn't she? Is that a good chicken nugget?
Once she got the bottle, she just dumped it in her mouth.
Look at her go.
You think it'd fall out. I think it's gonna fall. It's just hanging by a little feet. It's just like a Matilda. Remember that boy that was eating the chocolate cake?
Yep.
What are you doing?